Hi everyone. Today we will learn basics of Angular. So let us start. What is Angular? Angular is component-based framework to develop client-side application. Angular is open source, means it is available for everyone. There is no paid for it. Angular is single page application. It means in Angular project there is only one project. When you create Angular project, so automatically index.html is created and this is the main page. Angular is cross-platform development. It means we can use any platform like Windows, Mac and so on. Angular is released by Google. Angular support TypeScript as a programming language. TypeScript is open source programming language built on the top of JavaScript. So we can see TypeScript is superset of JavaScript. So any browser environment that is supported by JavaScript is also support TypeScript. We will learn more about TypeScript later. So let us come, what is the building block? It is also called fundamental or main building blocks. So these are a building block: module, component, template, metadata, directive, services. So module is a way of grouping related component, templates, metadata, directives, services, and we can create multiple module in Angular project, but at least one module is mandatory in Angular project. So when you create Angular project, so automatically one root module is created. So in module there is a ng model. Component, we can say component is a basic unit of UI in Angular project. So component contains HTML page, means a template, and TypeScript class and also CSS, and using these combination it will be rendered a portion one portion of a Angular page. So we will learn template, metadata, directive, services later in later session. These are the basic commands, Angular commands. So you can say npm install g for global. So we can use this command for installing Angular, and we can also use this command to uninstall Angular, because sometimes what happen, we need to require uninstall our Angular version and reinstall. That time it is used. And ng version provides the version of Angular. When create a new project, so ng new, and here is a project name, and in one project a lot of component, directive, services, class, interface, enum pipes. So these are the commands which are used. Here you can see ng generate component, component name, and this is the shorter way of command line, means C for command, D for directive, S for services, CL for class, I for interface, E for enum, and P for pipes. So we can use these commands in our development purpose. ng build our application, and ng build prod dash dash prod is used when we are deploy our Angular project in server. ng serve start our Angular project. It will be automatically build and start. ng serve dash o, it will be a start and also open the browser, and this command will be do it is start our application, open in browser on this port, P for port number. These are the history of Angular. So you can see here. So these are the basic details about Angular. In later session we will learn more about the Angular. So we will try to elaborate more Angular fundamental or main building blocks, and we will try to create one a small project in later session. So that's from today. Okay, thank you.